Listen. B. You will hear radio presenters talking about TV programmes. The radio programme is in 3 parts. Listen and answer the questions for each part. Choose A, B, or C. Part 1.
Welcome back. Emily's here now to tell us all about what's hot and what's not on TV at the moment. How's it going, Em?
Not too bad, Steve.
So, everyone is talking about last night's episode of Albion Street. It was quite a shock, wasn't it?
Yes, the lovable Ken Andrews, who has been played by John Butcher for the past 10 years, was at the centre of a big story last year when he was attacked in the street. But he survived that, just about, and carried on working at the corner shop. Then suddenly, a couple of weeks ago, he sold the shop, took all his belongings and left the street to move to Argentina, of all places.
But I guess it didn't work out.
No, because he returned last night and asked Gloria to marry him.
What a turnaround! Everyone wants those two to get married. Now, Veronica Daniels, who plays Gloria, is leaving Albion Street sometime soon, if the newspapers are to be believed.
It's true. Daniels has had a successful career in film, but she's been on Albion Street for 2 years now, and it seems she's not really enjoying it. Even though there's been a lot of talk about her joining another soap, she's always denied that. Then last week, a TV channel announced a new chat show called The Veronica Show, which sounds very exciting.
Part 2.
What about tonight? Is there anything good on?
Well, I think everyone will be tuned into the final of the talent show. We've seen a lot of great singers, dancers and even acrobats taking part. Tonight's show will be hosted by the dancer Jasmine Rivers, who, if you remember, was the winner this time last year. In the final this year are 2 singers from Manchester and Birmingham. It's on live from 9 o'clock, so don't miss it.
Is the voting system the same as last year? Because I heard there's been a change.
You're right, and that's important for anyone who's thinking of voting. Last year you could ring from a landline and send an SMS from your mobile, but this year you can only ring. I'm sure they'll tell you the number during the show tonight.
Part 3.
So, what can we look forward to this coming week?
Well, there are 2 things which you shouldn't miss this week. One is Natural World, which is a top-quality nature documentary. Did you see the dolphins last week?
Of course. And those spider crabs were enormous.
Well, this week we will be taken all over the world, from jungles to deserts to forests, to find out about some amazing creepy crawlies.
I'm not really a big fan of bugs, but I think I'll still watch it.
Good for you. Now, the second thing to look out for is Family Matters.
Oh, I love that sitcom. It's so realistic and absolutely hilarious.
This week, Roger takes some time off work and creates chaos at home. He gets on everyone's nerves.
I can't wait.
It promises to be a good one, but unfortunately, it's the last in the series.
Oh no.
Don't worry, they're making another series which will be on our screens in the near future.
Great. Thanks for that, Em. Now we're going over to...